Hi everyone, my name is Michelle, and I realized I've done some postings on YouTube and Instagram. I never really introduced myself. My name is Michelle. I am a lover of perfume and sometimes makeup, skincare, a little bit of shopping. Home goods is a spot. And so I wanted to share some of the things that I like just to give a review, because sometimes I can't find the things that I want online for review purposes, just to see what it's like before I get it. But today I'm just gonna give like an unboxing. You can say that unboxing of two perfume that I bought that I'm gonna add to my collection, and I'm excited because they're so cute. So I already opened this one up. Oops. It's Carolina Herrera, good girl, Bowtastic. And I already smelled it and everything, but it's like a collection. So this is it. This is the first one. Isn't it cute? It's so cute and it's soft. It's so nice. This is a 2.7 ounces. Ooh, let me show you the other one I have. Hold on. Yeah, so I think I get this one. This is another one I have. This is called Colormania. And I got this, I think last year or early, no, I got this over the summer. And I think it's so nice. It's one of my favorite colors, just red and pink. I love this. So this is like a collector item. I don't think they sell it anymore, but I really like this one. So this is new. Isn't it cute? Okay, so let me do what the influencers do online. So they do the top notes. Let me talk about top notes. So top notes: bergamot, bitter almond. The middle notes is ylang ylang, peony, vanilla is the base note, and tonka bean. Those are the base notes. Did I get it right? Did I? So I just wanted to share this one. I already sprayed it. Very nice. Oh, let's put it on this hand. It's very nice. So I'm gonna add this to my collection to go with my other one. Isn't that great? Okay. All right. So the other one I got from Macy's doing their sale, because okay, there was a lot of sale happening. There was Sephora, there was Ulta, there was Macy's, and I just wanted to get some good things for the sale. Okay, before I open it, because I opened up the other one before I start recording. This is Jean Paul Gaultier. This is the Vine. This is the collector's edition. So it's 3.4 ounces. This is the big one. Let me put this over here. I don't have a lot of space on my desk, but let me open it. A little unboxing. I kind of know how it smells already because I got samples. I try not to blind buy anything because this was in the store. A copy of it is in the store, but not this style. And online, it looks different. Like this is a bit brighter online, and I'll find a way to. How do you open it? This is like metal. All right, let me focus. Oh, you lift this up. Oops. Here you go. Yep, this is fabric. Pull it out. Ooh, 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 ooh. It looks so different from online. You can see more of the plaid. Yet it's plaid. It has a zipper at the back. Oh my god. Okay. Love it. Oh, it's glued on. Okay, let me not mess with it. So how does this go? Oh, you take this off. Ooh. Okay, let me spray it on this arm. Oh, I like it. It does have that aqua after smell. The first spray, I love it. Then it starts to go down into this aqua smell. I'm not a fan of aqua, but the way how they did this aqua, it smells really good. So let me see the notes. Let me go to Macy's and I can tell the notes. So the notes, top note, salt. I mean, that's where the aqua smell is coming from. Middle note, meringue base, and notes of lily. I love the smell of lily. And so this is the big size. This is a 3-point. I think there's a bigger size than this. Hey, Mom. You leaving now? Okay. Well, let me talk to my mom. Okay. So, this is it. It's very nice. So I'm going to add this to my collection, my perfume collection, because, you know, that's what I have to call it. Because they don't understand my obsession. It's a collection. So it's very nice. It's brighter online though. I'm going to screenshot it in so you can see how I was. Oh, it's a very nice bottle. But I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. The aqua smell is taking over. I'm going to have to just put a more vanilla in it. But it's still nice. The first spray, yes, has that nice vanilla kind of musky smell, and then it just went away and aqua took over. I'm still gonna wear it though. Wait a minute! Ah, hold on, look at this. Oh, you can take it off. You can take it off. Hold on. Can I? Oh yes, it comes off. So it is the original bottle. It's just that they put this on it. It's kind of glued on for, but look at that. Ah! That is so cool. How do I put this back on? Oh, it has the Gaultier at the back. Oh, is it lovely? All right, I need to figure out how to put this back on. Ooh. Okay, so that's it. I think I bought another one, but it didn't come in the mail yet. Okay, so that's it. I think there's another one. Let me see. Hold on. All right, I got another perfume from Macy's, and this is how it came in. Oh my goodness. Probably I'll do a separate video for that. But I just wanted to show you my two, you know, my two. Oops, no, wait. Let me get myself together. It should be a thumbnail. That's what they call it, right? A thumbnail. All right, so that's my little unboxing and my talk about my two new perfume that I'm adding to my collection. I have a lot of perfume, and you know, they're telling me I shouldn't buy any more, but am I listening? No, I don't know where I'm gonna put them though. Okay, so again, my name is Michelle. That was a review of my two perfume added to my collection. All right, so you have a good day. I'm gonna figure out how to post this because I'm doing it on YouTube, and I'll probably do this also on Instagram. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna do another video because I'm in a good mood. I came from work and I'm tired, but I'm gonna do this. Okay, bye.